Fur kids are our friends, they're ready for love. Fur kids are our friends, they never grow up. Fur kids are our friends, they're ready to play. Want to adopt a fur kid today.
You have such a great personality, don't you, Kamin? Yes. Yeah, she's like begging for attention. This is a sweet cat. Yeah. Sweet kitty. She's begging for attention. She is.
Were you all good? You guys were so good.
What's her name? His name?
From his black cats, if they don't have a collar.
Kamin.
Her name is Kamin.
Kamin. Hey, Kamin. Her name's Kamin. And she loves attention. She does. Oh, she got some treats. Look, you're such a sweet kitty. Yes. What's your name? What's your name, kitty? Yes, you're such a sweet kitty. He's purring and everything. Loves attention. Yeah. Oh, yeah, she's purring. She loves attention. Yes, she does. Yes, she does. Mm-hmm. Oh, look her name. What's her name? What's her name? Karen? Like that? Yes, she's purring. This is a very sweet cat. Yes, so very cute. Oh, she's like, please give me attention, please.